The best deals at Lowe's usually aren't the ones screaming for attention. They're not always on the front page, and they're definitely not always sitting in clearance bins. Instead, they're hidden in plain sight, inside tool bundles, appliance kits, smart home devices, and outdoor gear that most shoppers walk right past without ever checking the specs. But when you actually break these products down, motor design, materials, voltage systems, capacity, and included features, you start to realize something. A lot of these everyday items are delivering way more performance and value than their price tag suggests. And today, we're going through 7 of those standout products. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max 2-Tool Brushless Combo Kit. This DEWALT Combo Kit runs on the 20V Max lithium-ion battery platform and uses brushless motor technology to reduce friction, improve efficiency, and extend tool life under heavy load. The drill driver is built for controlled drilling across wood, metal, and general construction materials, while the impact driver is designed to deliver high torque output for driving long fasteners and working in dense materials without stalling. The kit includes 2 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, a fast charger, and a soft storage case, giving you a complete cordless setup right out of the box. The impact driver features a quick-change hex chuck for rapid bit swaps, while the drill includes a multi-speed gearbox and adjustable clutch settings that let you fine-tune torque depending on the material and application. Number 2. Kobalt 302-piece Mechanics Tool Set. This Kobalt 302-piece set is essentially a full garage-level toolkit built around SAE and metric socket systems. It includes shallow and deep sockets, ratchets, extensions, adapters, spark plug sockets, and a wide variety of driver bits, all organized inside a molded storage case designed for durability and easy access. The ratchets are designed with fine-tooth mechanisms that allow tighter swing arcs, making them effective in confined spaces like engine bays or machinery compartments. Built from chrome vanadium steel, the tools are designed to handle high torque while resisting wear and corrosion, making this set suitable for both automotive work and heavy DIY repair environments. Number 3. Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus delivers HD Plus video with a wide vertical field of view designed to capture full-body motion at your front door, including packages left on the ground. It runs on a rechargeable battery system, meaning no hard wiring is required for most installations, and connects directly through Wi-Fi for real-time mobile access. It also includes motion detection with customizable zones, infrared night vision for low-light visibility, and two-way audio with noise reduction for clearer conversations. All footage can be viewed live or stored through cloud services, and the device integrates with smart home systems for instant alerts and voice control features. Number 4. EcoPower Plus 56V Cordless Leaf Blower. This Ego blower is powered by a 56V arc lithium battery system, which delivers significantly higher output compared to standard 20V tools. Combined with a brushless motor, it produces strong, consistent airflow designed to match gas-powered performance without fuel, noise, or engine maintenance. It features variable speed control for precision cleaning and a turbo boost mode for maximum air output when dealing with heavy debris. The battery is also interchangeable across Ego's full outdoor lineup, making it part of a larger ecosystem that can power everything from mowers to trimmers and expand over time. Number 5. Weber Genesis E415 Gas Grill. The Weber Genesis E415 is a 4-burner gas grill designed for even heat distribution and high-capacity outdoor cooking. Each stainless steel burner provides consistent flame control, allowing you to create separate cooking zones for grilling, searing, or slow roasting across a wide surface area. It also features porcelain-enameled cast iron grates built for heat retention and strong searing performance, along with a grease management system that helps reduce flare-ups during cooking. The lid is engineered for heat retention, making it suitable for everything from quick grilling to longer roasting sessions. Number 6. Kobalt 158-piece DIY Starter Kit. This 158-piece Kobalt kit is designed as a complete household starter set for basic repairs, assembly, and maintenance. It includes essential tools like a hammer, screwdrivers, pliers, wrench, utility knife, tape measure, hex keys, and assorted bits, all arranged in a compact storage case. The tools are built from hardened steel alloys intended for everyday torque applications, making them ideal for furniture assembly, wall mounting, tightening fixtures, and general home maintenance tasks. It's designed to give you everything you need for common household jobs without having to buy tools individually. Number 7. Ring Starter Set Doorbell Plus Indoor Cam. This Ring Starter Bundle combines a battery-powered video doorbell with an indoor security camera to create a basic home monitoring system. The doorbell provides HD video capture, motion detection, and two-way communication, while the indoor cam allows real-time monitoring of interior spaces through a mobile app. Both devices integrate into the Ring ecosystem, allowing centralized alerts, live streaming, and recorded event access. The wireless setup reduces installation complexity, making it suitable for apartments, homes, or renters looking for flexible security coverage without hardwiring or complex installation. These 7 products show what you find when you stop looking at surface pricing and start looking at real specifications. Whether it's brushless motor technology, high-capacity tool systems, smart security integration, or professional-grade outdoor performance, each item brings a different kind of value depending on what you need. If you enjoy this breakdown, make sure you subscribe for more deep-dive product reviews and hidden deal finds. And drop a comment below which product would you actually buy and which one surprised you the most.